Okay, so we're going to start a live lesson with the lesson that I created. We're going to tap that. And then I'm going to join as a student as well so that we can do this thing. And then all the students can join at this point. And it might take a couple of seconds for it to load all the way. See if it works. Okay. I'm going to put in a nickname. I'm going to be McNabbers. And I'll hit join session. And then it should get going. Cool. So we'll just go through do all devices. That'll show up on both of my screen and the student's screen. Then they can play it as they like. And we're going to skip that part of those because we don't have that much time. And we'll go through all these slides. On here, all the students can go through and like look at different things. They can click on different activities as they go and have lots of fun with that. And then on here, they get to respond. So I'm going to respond as the student. They hit submit, and once they hit submit, it should show up on the screen as what their responses are. And you can share if you want. You don't really have to on this one. We're just going to keep going. These are all the slides. And then this is like the open-ended question, so then they can respond. And we should see it pop up once I hit submit. And it should show up just right here. And you can hit share, so it shares with all the students so they can see the answers. It doesn't share the student's name, but it does everything else. I'll unshare that. Oh, yeah, and then on this one, you can see like the feedback, I guess, of their answers. On this one, the students will see this screen and they can do a drawing of something, whatever the prompt is. Then they hit submit, and that will go through, and it should pop up right here. Hopefully. Here it comes. Then you can click on that and hit share, and then it'll pop up on both screens for all the students. Then you hit unshare to keep going. And this is the last question. This is the poll that I did so that they can just say what they want. There's the other activity I did. And it'll show up right there. Yep, and that's it. So now this is my presentation on NearPod.